It's all loud. Alright. I haven't did a blog in a long time. Woohoo, vlogs. Got my girl here. You want to say hi?
No.
Oh, damn it. Showing it. Anyway, I came to do a blog. I haven't done one in a long time. And first of all, before I do this blog, shout out to Dana Smothers, because he's like, when the last time we did a blog? And I was like, yeah, that is true. I haven't did one in a long time while I was back in, Virginia, Anyway, what's going on? How y'all doing? Alright, anyway, so first of all, I got two things to talk about. Okay, my first thing is, okay, I am not a movie person. I mean, I am a movie person. Like, I just don't go out to see the movies. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I do watch them online. And I do be getting them from the Red Box. So I went to the movies this past weekend to see, we was gonna see Grown Ups, but we ended up seeing it. We ended up seeing The Predators and Inception. And let me tell y'all, that movie. First of all, Predators is the shit. Okay, that Predators is the shit. But no, Inception is something serious. Like, it says like Avatar on steroids, like 3.0 and everything. And where you going? I'm out of here. Shit, you gonna leave right in the middle of the blog? Okay, so I guess I'll see her tomorrow. She just out of here packing. And I just helped her fill out a 30-minute application online. Yeah, I'm gonna put you on blast and you won't walk right by. Bye. Anyway, it's so ghetto, like people walking in and out the blog. Anyway, oh, you know what? I'm gonna start blogging. I really am, because I miss blogging and it's very therapeutic. And I see a lot of y'all out here blogging, and I be like, y'all are boring as hell. I don't understand. Like, I just be like watching that 6 minutes, like, the hell is this person talking about again? So no, I'm gonna talk about a whole range of subjects. I'm just kicking it off. I felt good. When I feel good, and the Lord, He inspired me with joy and everything, I said, I'm gonna come to y'all with a blog, tell y'all everything what's going on. I'm gonna put them up to my Twitter and everything. You need to follow me at KLS2691. Let me do it again for the people that hear slow. KLS2691. Yeah, So, yeah, follow me on Twitter. I put a whole bunch of stuff up there. And I know y'all keep seeing, like, my music over and over on MySpace. On Facebook, but my music is on MySpace. And on Twitter, I'm just trying to get it out there. Y'all get the word that I am a rapper, I do got a little skills, you know what I'm saying? And, people are sleeping on me, but they need to wake the hell up. Because when I come, like, what's my saying I used to say all the time? Oh, like, when I do it, it's done, and when it's done, it's dead. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to get that, like, on a shirt or something. People sleeping on me. Y'all need to wake the hell up. But that's okay. Y'all keep sleeping. Y'all going to sleep through something crazy. Anyway, I ain't got time to talk to the people that's sleeping. But for those who are listening and awake and are supporting me, I thank y'all. And what else I want to talk about? Oh, yes, I want to talk about the movie. And, is there something else that I want to talk about? Right now, it comes to mind. And this is not really talk about. This should be, an everyday thing. I know a lot of y'all, like some of my friends. I don't even call it my friends. I call it my team players. A lot of people, I don't know, if you're going through something, and if you feel that you need to do something with your life, all I'm just saying is you need to talk to the Lord. You need to talk to the one above. He will strengthen you. He will cover you with His Spirit. He will cover you with His blood. He will advise you to know what to do with your life and what steps you need to take. You just need to just listen to Him. Okay? You just need to have faith in Him. You need to be obedient in Him. And He will lead you. He won't lead you in the wrong direction. He will lead you in the right way. You know what I'm saying? Man, my background music stopped. So, let me put something else on. Whatever. I guess I'll put on Pretty Boy Swag. Turn that up a little bit. Hey. Okay, anyway, I'm talking about the Lord and I'm listening to Pretty Boy Swag. I need to repent. But anyway, see, I'm not perfect. I don't dot every I and I don't cross every T. But no, I'm just saying, though, for real. Every time I give out advice to one of my friends and stuff, I'm about to wrap it up. I always ask the Lord to, advise and make sure I'm not saying nothing that's just crazy or out the way. And, and just, I want them to know that if they're going through anything, hold on, this will solve it all up. If God brings you to it, He will bring you through it. And that's the closing ending. So until next time, what's today? Today is Monday? Yes. So next Monday, y'all will have a new blog from me. And I will talk about, I'm gonna do like 2 topics. Now I want to keep it nice and spicy and juicy and all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? So until then, I will see y'all Monday. And keep your cookie box exclusive. Don't let everybody have your cookies. And may God be with you. Bye.